Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix NVIDIA GeForce Instant Replay if it's not working. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you need to update your device driver, okay? So open up your NVIDIA app right here. Go to the drivers tab and make sure that you update your NVIDIA driver. It could be game or studio. Alright, and once that's done, just press Alt plus Z on your keyboard. Again, Alt plus Z to open up the NVIDIA overlay. Now in here, just go ahead over to settings at the top. Go ahead over to files and disk space. And just make sure that disk space limit is disabled. And make sure that you do have enough space on your system. Okay. Now, once that's done, go ahead and go back again. Now go ahead and go to Instant Replay. Make sure that this one is enabled. Okay. As you can see here, it says Instant Replay is on. Now, if yours is already turned on, just turn it off for about 5 to 10 seconds. Okay. Wait a bit and then go ahead and turn it back on again. And after that, go ahead and check if it helps. Now, I would like for you to know that Instant Replay right here will instantly and automatically disable itself if you are playing a DRM protected content. For example, if you don't know what DRM is, it is a digital rights management, okay? In other words, protected content. So just go ahead and close all browser tabs running streaming services like Netflix, Amazon Prime, or Spotify, as these commonly block screen recording softwares, okay? Now, if you can't still fix it, if you have the NVIDIA Broadcast Live, okay, make sure that it is turned off. Again, if you have the Broadcast Live, this section, make sure that you have it turned off. Also, you might want to close background apps like Discord or the Discord overlay, Steam overlay, and the Windows Xbox game bar. All right, there you have it. Those are the ways to fix the NVIDIA GeForce Instant Replay if it's not working. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.